Hi, everyone. I'm Sandra Spivey with Spivey Insurance Group. I'm here with Melinda Plew from the ARC. It's a great day today because we're actually giving some money that we won from a contest, from an insurance contest of Community Service Award. And we'd like to present the ARC with a check. And then we'd like for you to talk about the ARC.
I'm happy to talk about the ARC. Thank you so much. Spivey Insurance has been such a great partner to us over the past couple of years. The ARC is one of those very small agencies that not a lot of people know about. But we serve families who have children or family members with intellectual or developmental disabilities, and we try to help them wherever they are in that journey, whether it's through getting services or helping them with a specific issue or really just trying to raise awareness in the community. And so we've got a website. We're happy for people to check us out, come to any of our events. Our website is www.thearcisthere.org, and that's what we try to do for people, is be there for everyone. So thank you so much for this check, and anything that we can do to help your customers with their journey, we're happy to do so.